today's video we're going to be working on a Gameboy Color. This one was purchased off of eBay for parts or repair. Let's go ahead and test it out. Go ahead and put in some batteries. This right here is pretty bent up. And it does have quite a bit of battery corrosion in the compartment. Okay, nothing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to clean up these contacts. We're going to use a toothbrush and some isopropyl alcohol. I'm also going to try to straighten that spring out a little bit. Okay, looks better. Let's give it another test. Okay, we got power and we got an image on the screen. I went ahead and cleaned up the Gameboy Color. I got all the marker off of it and it cleaned up pretty good. If you're wondering how I got the marker off of it, I've got a video on how to clean game cartridges and I use the same techniques. Let's go ahead and test it out. Okay, the picture looks pretty good, but the audio is very, very faint. I don't know if you can hear it. It's there, but it's very, very faint. So one of the things that can happen is the speaker could be damaged, or it could be the headphones jack itself. So we're going to go ahead and plug in some earbuds and see if we get audio. Okay, I am getting audio out of my earbuds. So that tells me that the jack is okay and the speaker is probably faulty. So let's go ahead and disassemble it and see if we can replace that speaker. Okay, it is going to be 6 tri-wing screws, and we're going to be using our ifixit kit. Two at the top. Got 2 in the middle. We got 2 in the battery compartment. Okay, we're just going to set the top cover to the side. Okay, so the next 3 screws we need to take out are going to be 3 Phillips head screws. We got one right here, here, and right here. Okay, we do need to disconnect the LCD ribbon cable. In order to do that, there's going to be little latches on the side. We're just going to flip them up, lift up the LCD, pull the ribbon cable out. We're going to set that to the side. Okay, so looking at the speaker, there is some corrosion in there. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. Got our new replacement speaker right here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and heat the pads up, pull the wires out the bottom. Okay. I'm going to do the opposite. I'm just going to heat it up, push the wire through. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and reassemble this off camera, and then we'll test it again. Alright, we got the Game Boy Color back together. We got the batteries in it. We got the game in it. Let's go ahead and give it a final test. Alright, there you go. We got the audio restored. We got the power restored. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.